Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about the D2S D4S LED car headlights and the amazing benefits they can bring to your driving experience. Whether you're looking for increased visibility on the road, a longer lifespan for your headlights, or just an overall more stylish look for your car, these headlights have got you covered. First of all, let's talk about the brightness. These LED headlights are designed with high-power automotive-grade CSP LED chips that provide 3 times the brightness of standard halogen lamps. This means you'll be able to see clearer and farther on the road, even in the darkest of conditions. Not only are these headlights super bright, but they also have a long lifetime. The aviation aluminum body and built-in sintered copper tubes help to transfer heat to the cooling system rapidly, preventing light decay and ensuring a longer lifespan of over 30,000 hours. That's a lot of driving time before you'll ever need to worry about replacing them. Installation is a breeze with these headlights. Their almost 11 mini design as halogen makes them easy to install in just 5 minutes with no tools needed. It's a true plug-and-play experience, so you'll be back on the road with your new and improved headlights in no time. And for those of you worried about compatibility, fear not. These headlights are Canbus ready and work with 99% of vehicles without error. For some more sensitive models, an additional Canbus decoder may be required, but for the most part, these headlights are good to go for anyone. But that's not all. If you're the life of the party and love to stand out, we also have the LED fiber optic whip dance pixel space whips. With 40 programmed display modes, 360 degrees of rotation, and easy on-a-button operation, this whip is perfect for parties, light shows, and music festivals. And with 160 silky smooth fibers, you'll be the star of the show no matter where you go. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car and your party game, be sure to check out the link in the description below to grab your very own D2S D4S LED car headlights and LED fiber optic whip dance pixel space whips. Trust me, you won't regret it.